What are amino acids?
Great question. First, imagine tiny colorful building beads that gently connect to form everything your body depends on. Second, today we will explore what these beads are, how they link together, and why they help your cells stay alive. Third, stay with us because a memory trick at the end will make amino acids easy and fun to remember.
That makes me wonder, how does this actually help someone learning science?
Great question. That curiosity is exactly how real scientists think. Step 1. Amino acids help you understand proteins which perform almost every job inside the body. Step 2. Knowing them makes big biology ideas like enzymes, DNA translation, and metabolism feel simple and clear. Step 3. Learning amino acids prepares you for MCAT topics that start with protein structure and function.
Okay, wait. If I could only remember one thing, what's the main idea I should remember?
That is an important question. Big outcomes always start with small causes. Number 1. Imagine amino acids as small puzzle pieces with matching ends ready to click into a chain. Number 2. The core truth is that these chains fold into proteins that help your body grow, move, repair, and survive. Number 3. Whenever you hear protein, remember it begins with a simple line of amino acids linked together.
Alright, this part always helps me. Can you show me how this works step by step?
I love this part too. Let me walk you through it slowly, one clear step at a time so your brain can lock it in. 1. An amino acid reaches out with a special end to bond with another amino acid. 2. The chain bends into soft coils or sheets depending on which amino acids are touching. 3. The whole chain folds into a final shape that decides exactly what job the protein will do.
Oh, now my brain is picturing it in real world. Where do I actually see this in real life or medicine?
Yes, now you are thinking like a doctor. We see this in real life all the time, in school, at home, and even in hospitals. First, you meet amino acids every time you eat foods like eggs, beans, or nuts that your body breaks into building blocks. Second, doctors rely on amino acids for muscle healing, enzyme activity, hormone production, and immune strength. Third, understanding amino acids helps you spot patterns in nutrition, growth, and how the body fixes itself.
Okay, last thing. What's the quick trick to help me remember this forever?
Here is one simple trick that will help you remember this forever. Step 1. Imagine a tiny toolbox labeled amino acids, filled with glowing blocks waiting to snap together. Step 2. Picture yourself gently connecting these blocks until a bright protein shape forms in your hands. Step 3. Remember this wisdom: big things in biology begin with tiny steps, just like your learning journey. If this sparked curiosity, share a thought and join the Growth Lab journey. Learning grows stronger together. Brains remember better when tested. Watch the full episode and the quiz episode to lock it in.
See you in the next episode.